Okay, so I was saying that now the edges, this is the fifth step. Yep, fifth step. So now the edges. For the beginner's method, you have to learn the first algorithm, which is switches these two edges. Just those two. Nothing else, just those two. So that's for the beginner's method. But for the advanced method, if you don't know, let's say case, like let's pick case number, well, one of those cases in the bottom with a solve cube. First you solve it, and then let's say you don't know how to do, like you don't recognize the algorithm when it's scrambled, so you just do it. Slice -3,3 yeah, 3,3 slice, then 3 1 3,0 2,2 slice 2,0 4,-2 slice 2,-4 slice 2,0 2 4 5 2 4 5 slice 0,-3 -1 -3 slice -3 -3 slice, and that's it. See, and 3. So that was one of the cases in the bottom, and now you can see that this one goes here, and then this one goes here, and this one goes here. So it's pretty much like that, and this one goes here. You have to flip those two and those two. So that's one of the cases. So that's how you recognize which case you have in the advanced method. Okay, now you can do that for all the algorithms. Okay, that's pretty much it. Now for the beginner's method, you have to solve, it's in many cases. So like for example in this one, since you learn the algorithm to switch just those two, you have to get each edge, so you have to do the algorithm a couple of times. Sometimes maybe 5, more than 5, or sometimes just twice. But yeah, it's very tedious. Okay, so in this case what I would do is I would switch these two edges, and then the white and blue edge will go here, and it'll be solved here. Then after that, the orange will go here. So what I can do is I can switch these two. No, I'm kidding. These two, and then the orange will be here, and then I'll have to switch these two, and then the first layer will be solved. So that's 3 algorithms to do, and the top layer will be solved. So I'm gonna do first this one. No, I said here. So I do the algorithm. I don't like to do it slow, so I'm just gonna do it the normal way. I already taught you how to do it. There. I got that one, and like I said, the orange will be here. So now I'll switch these two, and then those two. So make sure you put it in the right place here, and then do the algorithm. There you go. Half of it is done, and one more time, put it in the right place. And there you go, the first layer solved. Okay, so yeah, it took a few algorithms, 3 exactly, and okay. Now to solve the bottom layer, you have to bring it here. So you do the algorithm to switch the first top and the bottom layer. Slice 6 6 slice, and now you have the bottom layer on top. So here I'll have to use it 3 times again. Switch those two. Then the orange will be here. Switch those two. then the orange blue will be here, then switch them, and it'll be solved. So I would do it. I would switch those two now, do the algorithm. There. Now the reason why I didn't do these two is because I will have this one done and these two unfinished. So that means that you can either learn two algorithms and switch these two, or you can learn just that one and I'll have to do it two more times, because this one will be here, so it's pretty much pointless, because I'll have to switch it back and then switch it back and then switch it back. So it's, yeah, you have to like know where it goes. So now I'll switch these two, so the blue can go here and then flip him, and then I'll be finished. Do the algorithm. Square-1 is one of my favorite puzzles. This was actually my first cube. And one last time. At first you might mess up the whole cube, but that's normal. And I did it many times, and I got very aggravated, but then you eventually get good and get them all right. Okay, so yeah, that's it. It's solved. Just has to switch back the bottom layer and the top layer with the algorithm. Slice 6, 6, and slice, and there you go. Solved. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And well, here in step 6, it tells you the algorithms to switch when you have this case. Like when you have the middle layer mixed up, you don't want to have this, so you can learn the 3 algorithms, or you can be smart and just do slice 6, slice 6, slice 6. I made that one myself also, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So in total, I would say you have to learn from the beginning. Well, I don't consider the beginning solving into a cube any algorithms, because it's all logic. Like, you're just doing it. You don't really use algorithms. Where I consider algorithms are from the solving the color, the first and bottom. I mean the top and bottom face, and then getting the corners and getting the edges, and that's pretty much algorithms. So yeah, that's how you solve a Square-1. Hope this was helpful, and just message me or comment if you have any questions, and I'll always answer them. Okay, so goodbye.